Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Hindi Pathshala. Today I am going to explain lesson number 3 of class 5 Khilone Wala. So before going to start this poem, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button so that you can get the notification of next uploading videos. Okay, so let's start the poem Khilone Wala. Khilone Wala. Khilone Wala mane toy seller. Khilone mane toys, and the who used to sell the toys we called as Khilone Wala. So we have seen lots of toy sellers who used to stand outside of park areas or maybe outside of schools or in somewhere in fair. So we used to see lots of toy sellers around nearby our place. So here we are going to talk about a toy seller. वह देखो माँ आज खिलौने वाला फिर से आया है. आज मने टुडे. सो वह देखो माँ आज. सो लुक मदर, द टॉय सेलर हैज कम अगेन टुडे. फिर से मीन्स अगेन. सो लुक मदर, द टॉय सेलर हैज कम अगेन टुडे. कई तरह के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाया है. सुंदर सुंदर मने ब्यूटीफुल, खिलौने मने as you know it's a toys. So he has brought lots of beautiful new toys. हरा हरा तोता पिंजड़े में. हरा हरा means green, तोता मने parrot, पिंजड़ा मने cage. So he has a green parrot in the cage. गेंद एक पैसे वाली. So he is having a ball which cost only 1 paisa. एक पैसा means 1 paisa. So the toy seller is having a ball which cost only 1 paisa. छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है. मोटर गाड़ी means motor vehicle. It may be a 2-wheeler or it may be a 3-wheeler. सर 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 चलने वाली. सर चलने वाली means the motor vehicle which gives sound of sir sir sir. So the toy seller has a small motor vehicle which moves with the sound of sir sir sir. सीटी भी है कई तरह की. सीटी मने whistle. कई तरह की means different types of whistle. So he has many types of whistles. कई तरह के सुंदर खेल and different types of beautiful games. खेल मने games. चाबी भर देने से भक भक करती चलने वाली रेल. चाबी मने की, रेल मने रेल. Okay. So he is having a train. When you fill the key of that train, it will move with the sound of bhag bhag bhag. गुड़िया भी है बहुत भली सी. So the toy seller is having a doll which is very innocent. भली मने innocent. पहिने कानों में बाली. पहिने means wearing, कान means ears, बाली means earrings. So the toy seller is having a doll which is very innocent and she is wearing earrings in her ears. छोटा सा टी सेट है. So the person is having a small tea set or you can say kitchen set. Okay. छोटे छोटे हैं लोटा थाली. So the person is having a small glass plate also. थाली मने plate. छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण. So he is also having small bow and arrow. छोटी छोटी तलवार. तलवार मने sword. So the person is having a small swords also. नए खिलौने ले लो भैया. जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार. पुकार मने calling. So whenever you can see the toy seller, he used to call very loudly. So the person is calling with very loud noise to sell his toys and saying, buy new toys, brother. So like that he used to call, right? मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है. गुड़िया मने doll. So Munnu is a small girl. She bought doll from that toy seller. Mohan ने मोटर गाड़ी, and the Mohan bought a new motor vehicle. मचल मचल सरला कहती है. सरला is another girl. She is telling to her mother, माँ से लेने को साड़ी. So the Sarla is a girl who is insisting her mother to buy a साड़ी. साड़ी मने साड़ी. कभी खिलौने वाला भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले आता है. So the mother is saying to her, does a toy seller ever bring a saree? He is always having his toys only. The toy seller used to have only toys, not saree. So her mother is saying, does a toy seller ever bring a saree? साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला कभी कभी दे जाता है. कपड़े वाला means cloth seller. So who have saree every time? The cloth seller is having sarees, saree materials. So she is saying, her mother is saying, the cloth seller who brings saree to sell sometimes. कभी कभी means sometimes. अम्मा तुमने तो ला करके मुझे दे दिए पैसे 4. Mother, you have given me 4 पैसा. कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं. So which toy would I buy? तुम भी मन में करो विचार. Just think about it. Do you have any idea? He is asking to her his mother. तुम सोचोगी मैं लूंगा तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल. बिल्ली मने cat, तोता मने parrot, मोटर मने मोटर, रेल मने रेल. So he is asking her mother, you would think me to buy parrot, cat, motor और रेल. पर माँ यह मैं कभी न लूंगा. But I won't buy any of these toys. वे तो हैं बच्चों के खेल. All these are children's game. बच्चों के खेल means children's game. मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा. I will buy sword. तलवार मने sword. माँ या मैं लूंगा तीर कमान. I will buy sword माँ, or else I will buy arrow and bow. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान. जंगल मने forest. So I will go to forest and will kill ताड़का, just like Lord Ram did. So Tadka is a demon who was killed by Ram in Ramayana. तपस्वी यज्ञ करेंगे. तपस्वी मने sage. Sage or saint you can say. So when the sages will perform puja, असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. So when the saint will do puja in the forest, if demons disturb them, I will finish them. ये यो ही कुछ दिन करते करते रामचंद्र बन जाऊंगा. So and doing this same for few days. कुछ दिन means for few days, and if I am doing same thing, I will become Ram Lord one day. यही रहूंगा कौशल्या में, तुमको वही बनाऊंगा. I will honor you कौशल्या. If you tell me to go to forest, तुम कह दोगी. So if you tell me one means forest, वन जाने को. If you tell me to go to forest, हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. I will go there very happily. पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा. But without you. So but par means but. So without you, how can I live in the forest? दिन भर घूमूंगा जंगल में. घूमूंगा मने roaming. So whole day I will roam in the forest. लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा, but where I will return back. किससे लूंगा पैसे, किससे लूंगा पैसे मने from whom I will get money. रूठूंगा, रूठूंगा मने displeased. So when you will get angry, who will convince you? So your parents used to convince you when you get angry. So he is asking his mother that who will convince me when I will get angry. तो कौन मना लेगा? मनाना means convince. कौन प्यार से बिठा गोद में? Who will make me to sit in the lap? गोद मने lap. So who will make me to sit in the lap with love like you? मनचाही चीजें देगा. मनचाही मने wished for. So who will give me things which I want? So this is the end of this poem, and the poem is written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. And if you have any doubts in this poem, please write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.